All right, can anybody here somewhat give some sort of a summary as to what's about to happen or what's going on here?
Me and this lunatic and Stan are going to try to...
Stan?
You ready?
Stan is one of the greatest legal minds known to me.
All right, y'all ready?
Go.
Is this legal? Stan said it's okay.
Okay. All right, so we got Stan's approval. All right, we're going?
When you got to go, you got to go. Go.
Let's go, Stan.
All right, hang on, Stan. Oh my God, it's like the freaking white trash train.
Go.
We lost one. We lost Stan.
We lost Stan.
And that other guy.
Let me get a chip. All right.